Well, we did a thing this weekend. I wanted to make some real butter. And so to make real butter, you need raw milk. Now, typically, this is sold as a pet treat. With that being said, I would say that you should not do this unless you know your farmer, because then you know how the animals are kept and that everything is healthy. And here you can see me drawing the cream off with a measuring cup, and you want to be very careful not to get the milk in there. And so as you do that, we bought 4 of those half-gallon jars, and that made that big bowl. I love my KitchenAid mixer. You can see that I was very careful not to get all of the cream off of there. And we put all of that into the KitchenAid, and then you just turn it on. I let it come up to a little bit of room temperature, because the warmer the milk is, the quicker it'll do. Jessica covered the KitchenAid with a wet towel because it will splatter. My KitchenAid was set on about between 8 and 10, and then you just let it go. First it'll form heavy whipping cream like this, and then if you wait a little bit longer, and I bumped it up to 10, then it starts to break down, and you can start to see the butter actually starting to cling to the side. And then you have buttermilk in there, and then you have butter. So you run it through the strainer and you wash it, and then that helps it stay. Now, Jessica had frozen some butter because she wanted to take the buttermilk and make cat head biscuits. So there she took the frozen butter and started to mix it into her sourdough starter. And as all of that is going on, she's making these big cat head biscuits. And she made them totally from scratch. Then all of a sudden, she cooks them up, and they were absolutely fabulous. So enjoy.